there, my name's Linda and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this channel I'm going to be talking about school, mental health, and self-care. So if those are topics that you're interested in, then hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So in today's video I'm going to be giving you 3 study tips to help you prepare for exams. Study tip number 1, you need to space out your practice. What this means is that it's better to study 7 days a week rather than 7 hours in one day. Why is this important? Well, you're going to get burned out if you study 7 hours in one day and try to figure out everything that you need to know for that exam. If you space out your practice, this allows you to process information really deeply, as well as return to material that you didn't understand the first time. Simply put, learning happens over time and it can't be rushed. Study tip number 2. Instead of trying to repeat information over and over and over again, try to elaborate. What this means is that you want to try to make connections with things you already know. And this allows us to, again, deeply process information and connect it to knowledge we already have. And this is going to make it easier to recall information later, for example, on your exam. So what does this look like in practice? Well, we can come up with an example, we can come up with a metaphor, or simply we can try to explain the information to someone else using our own words. And this will really make the information something that's our own, something we connect to, rather than something that's just words in a textbook. Final and third study tip that I have for you is simply just get enough sleep. So I know that can be really difficult in practice, but experts do recommend we get about 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. So why is this important for your studying? Well, sleep really does affect our decision-making skills as well as our ability to pay attention. Sleep also allows us to consolidate new information into our long-term memory. And we need to do that to be able to recall the information later when we're taking an exam. So if you have to choose between studying or cramming for an exam the night before or going to bed at a decent hour, it's probably going to be best to just simply go to sleep. Alright, so let's recap what we learned. Number 1, we got to space out our learning. Instead of cramming all in one night, we really want to space it out and learn over a longer period of time. We also want to elaborate or make connections with things we already know, and this will help us remember later on. And finally, we want to make sure we're getting enough sleep. Instead of staying up all night, we really want to make sure we get enough sleep so we can consolidate the information into long-term memory to remember it later. So thanks so much for watching today. I hope you found some value in these study strategies. And if you did, please comment down below and let me know how your studying goes. As well, if you have any other study strategies that you want to share with others, please also comment them down below. Right, so thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.